The leather in any car is subject to some pretty harsh stresses, not just abrasions and rubbing of the clothing, but just sitting in the sun takes its toll. Leather needs to be nourished to keep it pliable and supple, and to do that you need a conditioner, and there are many to choose from. I can't vouch for them all, but I'm very happy with the products used in this video. I'll show you how to apply them and extend the life of your car's leather. My name's Bruce and I'm a proud owner of a silver 1999 XK8. This channel is organised to share the knowledge that I've gained while owning Sylvester. And to help me make more videos, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos. Conditioning the leather is most important to keep it in a good condition. But just as important is to make sure the leather's clean before you start using the conditioner. Otherwise, you're just impregnating the dirt into the leather. These are the things you're going to need for the job. A good leather cleaner. I use Gyptone's Gentle Cleaner GT15. And I need to note here, this is not a sponsored video. It's the products that I use. They're available on eBay. And also they have the added benefit of smelling like new leather after they've been used. So these are the things. You'll need the cleaner, several microfiber cloths, and the leather conditioner. Again, I use a Gyptone product, leather conditioner GT11. And which brand you use doesn't really matter. It's more about how you apply the products. And if you're not sure what brand to use, check the reviews on Google. For the cleaner, use a spray type if possible, as the application then becomes easier. Do one seat at a time. And if you've not used the product before, try it on a hidden area first, and this applies to both the cleaner and the conditioner. And you can see here there are some dirty marks, but mostly this leather looks clean. You'll see in a minute how much dirt there actually is. Spray a little on the leather and work it in gently with the microfiber cloth. Don't leave it sitting in a pool on the leather, otherwise it'll just clean that patch, and then you'll have to rub hard to even out the cleaned area. Now have a look at the cloth. I was surprised about how much dirt was removed, even from a seat that looked clean. And I need to point out that rubbing hard's not a good idea. It'll be abrasive to the surface of the leather, particularly if it's an older leather that's been coloured in the past. So the objective is to have an even coverage with as little hard rubbing as possible. If the leather's really dirty, well, you will need to rub that little harder. But I suggest that you try that harder rubbing first on an area that's hidden from view, just in case. You may need to use a brush for the areas where there's stitching. A nail brush is fine, but very gently and sparingly. Use a cloth with a cleaner on it to rub harder in the grooves, and you'll see how much dirt's removed now. And once you've cleaned the whole seat, you need to wipe off with a clean microfiber cloth. Don't rub too hard. And if the leather's been previously coloured with a filler to fill the cracks in the leather, you'll need to be particularly careful about how hard you clean. If you need to know, you can buy leather colouring with a filler, but you need to do the whole car, as no matter what, the shade will be different due to the fading of the leather. Once you've done the first seat, progress to the other parts of the car, like the door trim and the centre console. Clean one section at a time. You'll find that the trims will not be as dirty as the seats, and mostly they won't have as much stitching. When you've cleaned everything, it's time for the conditioning. And you'll need more clean microfiber cloths. Squeeze a little of the gel on the cloth and gently massage it into the leather. Avoid leaving the gel in one spot for any length of time. When you're doing the trim and the steering wheel, massage well into the grooves. And you can leave the gel on the leather for a few minutes, longer if it's really dry to start with. And this will let it soak in before wiping it off again with a clean microfiber cloth. You can also clean and condition the vinyl trim as well. In that case, you could put a little bit of the gel on the vinyl and use it as a pool to dab into as you move along the dash. And when you do wipe off the conditioner, do it in a polishing motion, and that'll improve the finished look. I also suggest that you condition the seating area a second time after a couple of days. And you should do the conditioning once every few months. As I always say, none of this is rocket science. It just needs you to follow the simple procedure and be careful. I hope this quick video has entertained you and that you've learnt a bit about the beautiful XK8. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos. Thanks for watching.